This episode was made possible through the continued support of my very good friend Robert Lopez and viewers just like you. Check out the links below in the description and see how you can get involved. Thanks! Hi there guys, and welcome back to the plant. We're here with the big beautiful Site 3 generator, and today's project is this ugly corner back here needs to be sexied up a bit. We got rid of the coffin. It is now this. It's sexy, it's beautiful, it's wonderful, and it's not done yet, but it's better. You gotta ask yourself, what kind of evil bastard runs Ethernet through the middle of what was recently a full load center? That was a breaker box that had there was an 8-position breaker box here fed by a pair of 12-gauge wires, because, I don't know. So we're gonna get rid of this ugly right here because there's a lot of just bad nastiness. We're gonna get rid of all that. We're gonna build a sexy set of shelves. I'm gonna work up some Unistrut mojo, and we're gonna get that installed. So for those of you that are wondering where I've been for a few weeks, building that, yo. Look at that. And that follows that line all the way down and back and through and around and up and in. Now, in case you're wondering, that's my new hotness right there in the beautiful conduit. The other guy, look at this shit. Look, it's on the floor. Oh my God, this is not how we do things. Okay, that's the main feed for the exciter down there. That's bullshit. I'm gonna get to fix that at some point soon. They actually anchored it to the floor. You're an asshole. This is how it should be done. This is sexy. I built little Unistrut brackets, did up some mounts and stuff. It's properly in there. It's good. It's nice. I like it. You like it. It makes you feel good. It makes you happy. Okay, that's what I'm here. I'm giving you what you want. Look at that sexiness, right? But now we gotta do the same thing for the networking. So I'm gonna get my ass to work. Let's make this happen. Sure we're still level. And start tightening it all down. And yet, don't over tighten it, because you can snap the bolts off. So I think these are 1/2-inch anchors, 3/8 bolts, so it's probably reasonably skookum. And now, you can do pull-ups off of that. We'll hide that ugly spot in the wall while we're at it. Don't take your level off the side here because all this moves. Go right off the thing. All right, check our altitude. We're perfect. Okay. We got shelves. And now they fit beautifully so. So we're going to mount these in, but first I want to get them level. Beautiful. I pre-packaged all my hardware at home before I came in because it's an hour drive to get here, and I like to make sure I have everything I'm reasonably going to need plus a little bit of extra before I make the drive. Which is why I had the shelves all prefabricated. And just like that, we have a beautiful new set of shelves installed. How fucking cool is that? I love my little M18 portable vacuum. The only thing I gotta say about it is they've got two different models. One of them costs about $100 more than the other one does. Buy the more expensive one. The difference is this is the cheaper one because I'm low rent. This one is only good for dry. The one that's a little bit more expensive does wet and dry. Wish I got the better one. But for 99% of what I do, this is fine. And I use it mostly with the hammer drill when, you know, just cleaning up my mess. So that's cool. All right, guys, so that gets our shelving in position. This is day one on this. When we come back, we'll switch from metalworking and carpentry over to networking, and we're going to move all of the networking stuff over here and get some of the basic communications infrastructure on these shelves so that it doesn't look like that, because that's nasty. You guys have fun. I'm Chris Boden, and as always, I'll see you next time.